Alright.
Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Last video, I didn't want to talk too much because I did do a lot of talking. I lied.
That's crazy.
Did a lot of talking. I know.
No, two videos in the same exact spot. How'd you do that?
I don't know, man. I'm like a magician.
It's like you're staying in the same outfit, everything. Wow. It's crazy.
I should have changed my socks.
Kind of back to the future, past this.
Anyway,
back to the past future.
We were talking about the setup on the daily and
the what?
The daily. My daily. It's my daily.
Alright, stop.
I'm gonna drive it every day.
That's a nice all motor car, all motor daily. Refer to like 3 videos ago whenever you were like, hey, you know, I'm gonna build this all motor AC EK 4-door dream car.
Alright, I lied.
Yeah.
Oh man, we forgot something.
What'd you forget?
Spooky boy.
Oh.
Huh. Oh, and the clutch.
You don't need the clutch. I thought you were sponsoring me the clutch.
Huh? Huh?
I thought you were going to sponsor me that clutch.
Oh, hell no. So, I'm going to talk about my daily and all the things that you have here. So, you can tell this is a turbine manifold.
Oh, what?
A turbine manifold.
Like a wind turbine?
Yeah, like a wind turbine. So, if you can guess, y'all know, fucking hate all motor cars. The Integra kind of ruined the whole all motor thing for me. It was cool, but it wasn't fast enough. And I can't.
But it literally made good power.
It made good power. I'm not gonna lie. Integra made 235 on my street tune
with VTC only and boost.
Yeah, no VTC, and I probably was drunk when I tuned that thing. So
I think
I wasn't drunk. I was in a rush to tune it. So my VTC table was all in like boost. There's like no all motor VTC table.
Oh, yeah, tune all motor car forever.
Yeah, I know, right? So motor setup is going to be TSX bottom end, K20Z1 head. Probably build that motor over the weekend. And
stock motor?
Yeah, stock motor. Probably have a Type S oil pump in it. Have 50-degree VTC. Have an evergreen head gasket, stock head studs.
Evergreen what?
Well, just shoot to make like 400 to 450 on 93. It'll be full exhaust car. Even though I hate full exhaust turbo cars, I do want to ride my kids in here, and I want to drive. My goal is to drive the car to Florida. So if I could take it on a 9-10 hour trip one way and drive it and have fun down there and drive it back, I'll be happy, which I think it should. I've never used for the clutch. I bought a Clutch Masters FX
500?
500, I think, or 400. I'm not sure. And super nice packaging. Comes with a
that's a back seal?
Nakachi.
Bro, there's no
throw bearing. It's got the pilot bush in here somewhere.
Probably in the box.
Yeah. So it's the first time I've ever used one of these clutches. A lot of people seem to swear by them. I've never had a Clutch Masters clutch before. You'll think that after like
all these years,
15 years of damn doing this Honda shit, you know, your boy would have had a damn Clutch Masters clutch by now, but
nope,
no Clutch Masters. So it's gonna be my first time trying out one of those. I normally use comps. That's what I pretty much used to stick to because we used to get them cheap back in the day.
I'm starting to like veer away from comps though.
And I mean, their twin discs are awesome. I've used Action so far, and on the Action side now, their clutches haven't fallen apart on me because I believe what they did was they re-engineered their discs. See, what they were using before were like some like stainless steel centers, and I noticed that most of the clutch companies are getting away from the stainless steel centers because like
Heavy Flow and my RSX.
Yeah, when we reordered the discs for Heavy Flow, they were completely different. And when I had my first, no, not my first comp twin disc, but I had a comp twin disc like 4 years ago, in my Black EK, and it had like some first generation discs in there, and the splines were like stainless steel. And then I ordered another set of discs, and they came and the splines were like, not the spline, but the like center section was black. So I guess they switched materials. Because the damn disc used to roll over on the splines on the actual input shaft. Yeah. So that's what happened to Heavy Flow when Stumpy drove it. That's why Stumpy went.
And my Iron Man in the RSX.
Oh yeah, Iron Man did the same thing too.
Out here looking like a pirate.
Huh?
Out here looking like pirates. Yeah. Out here stealing people's maps.
Damn. We're in Texas, I could just shoot the strap off, but we're in North Carolina.
Yo, that was fucking lame. Why am I laughing at that? Okay, see, hold on. What is this?
Oh, it's probably from when I threw it.
Yeah.
Alright, it's my
Budget
in a cooler.
Oh, that's the same one that's on blueberry too, ain't it?
Same one that's on blueberry. The blueberry's getting a different in the cooler now.
Out here looking like a pirate.
Huh?
Out here looking like pirates.
Yeah.
Out here stealing people's maps.
Damn. If we're in Texas, I could just shoot the strap off, but we're in North Carolina.
Yo, that was fucking lame. Why am I laughing at that? Okay, see, hold on. What is this?
Oh, it's probably from when I threw it.
Yeah.
Alright, it's my
Budget.
We upgraded to
Are we talking about
KLM.
Have you talked about that car yet?
No. This blueberry probably makes like on 20 pounds, like mid 500s.
I thought I was saying like 500,
It's just
550.
hard to drive. Not hard to drive. It's hard to drive from a dig because I don't have a slipper and they can't 1-2 it, so it won't go fast from a dig or from a road. Motherfuckers get their muffin cap peeled back blue.
Everybody in the Fayetteville area.
Everybody in the Fayetteville area. Got my clutch line right here.
Wow.
It's blue. I didn't want it to be that way, but
Yes, he did. He literally ordered the blue one like I told him to.
you got, I don't know what this is.
There's stuff that don't even belong here.
Yeah,
that's
something don't
here.
belong here that's here. Like, that's how much shit I ordered.
Like yesterday, a GSR head gasket came to the shop. What the fuck did I order a GSR head gasket for?
It didn't come to the shop, it's been at the shop. I didn't know what it was for.
What we got?
Oh, out of air control valve block off plate. So I did buy this shit. I was supposed to put this on the integrity. Now it's terrible.
I'll use it.
Yeah, you can get it. There you go. There
Oh,
Christmas bonus. Yeah. I got innovative mounts this time.
wow.
You wanna know why? Because I'm a fucking innovative dealer. So if you need mounts, traction bars, all-wheel drive diff mounts, viscous coupler mounts, whatever the fuck, we're about to probably come out with something I can't talk about, and some other stuff I can't talk about.
Secret.
You need any of that shit, holla at your boy.
Yo, make sure that when you edit this video, you put like in big flashing red letters like innovative. Michael Morales would be so proud right now.
Innovative mounts on deck. I even got their fucking post mount for K24. I see how the few legit parts, but then I have this. Oh, my fuel pressure regulator. I told you I had it.
Yo,
See?
that couldn't work out any better.
I knew I had this shit.
You're welcome, Derek. He just threw your.
Don't.
We'll edit that out. We'll edit that out.
All right. So you remember that guy that was arguing with me on
Oh my God, yes,
on,
with the conversion harness.
yeah,
too,
about the
man.
conversion harness.
No, he argued about the engine harness.
No, about the engine harness, about the swap harness on
Yeah.
K28, right?
Yeah.
You know,
He
about
then
his
2 days later.
$450 or $500 damn.
Dude, he was selling the bitch for $600.
All right. So this shit is $350 on eBay. All right.
$388.
Motherfucker said that
$388.
it didn't come with a charge harness, right? What the fuck is this? Does this go to a damn charge harness? Because this looks like it goes to a charge harness to me.
I don't know, man. That might be a ground.
Does it?
It might be a ground.
No, it ain't a ground. It definitely goes to a charge harness. Why the hell is it on both sides? And that's on the knock sensor.
Oh, this is actually a really nice.
It's a nice fucking harness. TRC, baby.
Why'd the other one look different?
I don't know. See? It definitely goes.
Yeah.
Definitely a damn
Yeah.
charge harness built into it.
Yeah.
So that guy can suck my ass.
Yeah. What was his name? Let me try to
I
find.
don't even fucking
I'm about to try to find the
Yeah,
post.
try to find his name. Put him on blast.
Yeah.
Out here trying to resell other people's shit because some people are just too lazy to go on eBay and just do their own research and find out that you can get this harness on eBay from TRC, Temple Racing Company, for $350. I would have got this swap harness, but I couldn't find it. I think that shit was out of stock. So I got Sparks Racing harness, you know. Good
I
old
like the Sparks. I had that on my hatchback.
Yeah, Sparks Racing swap harness for EK. You know, because you got an EK, you got to buy one for an EK.
This might be him. Hold on. Ah, yeah, this is him right here. This guy. Don't be this guy.
Yeah, don't be that guy.
Don't be that guy.
Don't be that guy.
Cause he's selling. Yo, he literally went on the JHP USA page, screenshotted a picture of a hybrid racing conversion harness, and it's selling for 120.
He literally screenshot the damn picture off of every post that's on the eBay post and put it on
with that harness.
And with that harness, and the other harness that they have that's it has the mesh on it.
And was saying that he like
and
custom makes it.
Yeah, it's custom makes it. Custom makes it my ass.
I want to see if I gotta find the engine harness post that he made.
So I got throttle cable bracket. These are these budget shifter cables that work really well. And unbeknownst to us, so they tell you that you have to buy this bracket with the shifter cable, all right? And they also sell it as a package. But what they don't tell you is that you don't have to buy it with the bracket. So if you're on a budget still, and you're on budget cuts, what you do is you
just got fired from your job and trying to build a car from a STEMI.
Yeah. So, what you do is you take the screw cap off, and you stick the throttle cable through the stock throttle cable. No, you stick the shifter cable through the stock shifter cable bracket. So you can take all this shit off. You can unscrew this, take the rubbers off, take this thing off, and you can get
the little clips.
Get the little clips that go into the shifter cable bracket, and you stick this in the shifter cable bracket, and you don't have to buy. Even though that thing is only like 50-60 bucks.
I'm about to say the cables without that is like 140, and with it it's like 189.
Yeah, so if you're really trying to save money like that, you know what I mean.
Hey, $40 is thought about it. You got sitting back there.
You're right. A bunch of shit for a car. Everything else pretty much is gonna be like OEM, like the safes on there. And
you're using the EKK2 mounts?
Yes. Yeah, I got EKK2 mounts. I already did the subframe swap in here. When I had that blue car that we were gonna use to put the motor that was an Integra in it, it had a manual rack EG subframe. So I took that subframe out. I put it in here.
I'm surprised we didn't bend it.
Yeah, subframe swaps fucking suck. I hate it.
Yeah.
All right. But yeah, so I believe the color that I've chosen for the engine bay is either going to be electronic blue pearl or just some type of like radiating blue. I like the blue that those new Chryslers come in, like the minivan that we had brought that we rented to go to Florida. That
like the dark
nice
blue?
Yeah, it looked like electronic blue pearl, bro. It's a nice color. It's like color, like not color shifting, but fade changes on it. And I like it. So I think I'm gonna paint it that color. And as far as wheels, I have some rotor slips for them, but I would like to get something that's
flashy.
Not flashy, but that looks less basic because everybody has slips. Yep. You know what I mean?
That's why I'm not trading.
But that might be
wheels.
something that I'll do later because I was planning on taking the tires off of these, sandblasting them, getting them powder coated, and then getting them powder coated the same color as the engine bay. But I might just get something else. I don't know yet.
I might think about selling my wheels.
I'm not like a wheel guy, so I don't know like what I would like as wheels besides rotor slips. Rotor slips
blades,
are like the go-tos.
SIs.
I did. I might
sell you my wheels.
I found those deep dish SIs.
Nah, the River SIs, not no.
The Rivers. Yeah. But that's pretty much gonna cover everything as far as the car. It's gonna be on K-Pro, pump 93.
Oh, 9085 this time?
Yeah, 9085. I just want to make sure I can drive it anywhere and get.
Okay.
I'll probably do flex fuel. I've never done the flex fuel stuff. Some people say it sucks on stock computers, but
about to find out.
I'm about to find out, I guess. I just want to. This car for me is gonna be to learn more. I don't know everything about Hondas, and I don't know everything about Honda tuning, and I just want to dabble more into like the tuning aspect of it. So if it blows up, I don't care. I just put another motor in.
Right. I mean, that's
like
the
motors
easy
are
part.
$800.
That's the easy part. I mean? Oh, wait, calm down, rich guy.
Oh, it's not. I mean, what if you think about it, like $800 in today's dollars isn't shit.
Have you seen the economy?
Yes,
COVID?
the economy is doing pretty well.
COVID?
Have you not seen the parking lot at the shop? Okay.
LS Nasty's economy is doing pretty good.
But yeah, don't have any other plans of that. And after I probably will get wrapped silver.
You know, I'm just gonna ask you for the people before they can even comment. How long till it's all drive?
It's not. Shut up. I have contemplated.
I know you have.
Because I have I have arms.
It started as all motor and then it went
like
turbo, and then you're like, well, I'm not.
I have 4 transmissions, 5 Vistas couplers, and like 4 sets of trail arms.
So no, don't hit us up. We're not selling shit.
Yeah.
Just kidding. If you need trans.
Don't hit me up. I'm not selling shit. I'm hoarding all-wheel drive shit right now.
Watch, like 2 years from now, shit's gonna be hard to find, and then prices are gonna skyrocket, and you're gonna be rich off of all-wheel drive parts.
Exactly. You gotta be smart.
In other words, Phil's gonna build 5 all-wheel drive.
But yeah, that's it.
How long till we work on this thing? A month?
No, not a month. I'm gonna work on it on the weekends. Like,
oh, you still gotta paint the baby before we get you ready.
Yeah, I still gotta paint the baby before anything. So my plan is to take Justin's car out the carport after we do the whole engine base situation, and then
So what are we doing? Is well, that's a video.
That's a video.
Yeah. Okay.
After I get his out, just Wednesday, Thursday working from the house. Friday we gotta go to Charlotte to drop his car off. So Saturday when I get back, well Friday night when I get back,
move this over there.
Yeah, I'll load this up, take it to the house. I'll wash the whole engine bay out, and I'll bring it back here and I'll paint it because I got to paint it in here because of pollen. So
you do have to paint it in here?
Yeah, I have to paint it in here because of pollen. Or I can take the carport off, but I have to pressure wash all the pollen that's on the ground on the carport.
Yeah, so I just do it now.
Yeah, it's kind of like, but then I have to do the swap at the house. But I still need to find a trans. So the trans is gonna be my hold up issue, and I gotta tuck the bay anyway too. So I gotta take the fenders off. But yeah, I mean that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. If you guys got any other suggestions, you want to see me do anything else? I know I said I was gonna bring y'all hippo content, but here's
that was a lie.
All right, it wasn't a lie. It was actually something that I was wholeheartedly gonna do, but I have a customer who I ordered a Holly for February 11th, and it is now April 20th or 21st or whatever, 20th. And the Holly's still not fucking here, and I need to get him his car back, so I have to take the Holly that I bought for my car and give it to him.
Customers come first here, Blackphillbuilt.
Customers come first because I got without y'all, I can't do shit like this. So
hopefully back at the tire shop.
No.
I
have to weld a rim right now, and I really don't want to know.
Is that why you cut your hair?
What?
You thought you were gonna lose your job, so you were getting ready to go back to H&R Block for real?
Stop. So, yeah, that's all. Deal with the hippo. I know I could do other stuff to it, but it's kind of like I wanted to get it running in a week. That was my goal. Yeah. So without the Holly, I can't do shit. So I mean, I can't wire the car. I can't do anything. I don't know where I'm gonna place anything. You know what I mean? So.
I mean, that's why I don't really give a fuck about mine. I ain't got a Holly.
Yeah, we can't order shit. I don't know if it was on that boat that's stuck in the whatever the fuck ocean, but
Panama Canal or some shit like that.
But the Holly, you fucking me right now, and I'd really like to get my car back on the road and not order the HP because I don't need it. So I gotta spend another $2,000 on an ECU. But as always, guys, comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next upload.